Hello everyone, my name is Anuja Shrivastava from Ma Kalyanika School, Penda Road, Chhattisgarh. Today I welcome you all in class 7th and 8th chemistry class, and the chapter is physical and chemical changes. I said you that 7th and 8th. So I want to tell you that the second chapter in 7th and 8th chemistry is 90% similar. So I will only going to give the one lecture for both the classes. So this is useful for class 8th and 7th both. Now let's start the chapter physical and chemical changes. So it is related with the change. That means whatever the change occurs in your surrounding, you are observing number of changes at your surrounding from morning to night. The plants are going to be growing, your mother is cooking food, the raw materials is going to cook and form the other thing. That means number of changes are going to occur in your surrounding. So if I am going to give the definition of change, it is transformation of substance from one form to another. It is transformation of substance from one form to another. So there is number of changes and in your surrounding, number of changes, there is types of changes. So let's see that different types of changes which occurs according as per in your surrounding. So first is the natural and man-made change. First is the natural and man-made change. What is natural change? The change which is brought by the nature. जो change नेचर के थ्रू होता है, इन दैट चेंज देर इज नो हेल्प ऑफ ह्यूमन एंड द मैन. दैट चेंज इज नोन एज द नेचुरल चेंज. जस्ट लाइक द ग्रोइंग ऑफ प्लांट, द बेबी इज ग्रोइंग फ्रॉम बेबी टू द एडल्ट. दैट टाइप ऑफ चेंजेस आर नोन एज द नेचुरल changes. Just like occurrence of day and night, there is number of examples. And if we will see about the man-made change, that means the change which is brought by the man for their survival. That means for as per their need they are going to change, going to make the change. Just like the construction of road, dams, etc. That means the change which for their beneficial and that was brought by the man. That is known as the man-made change. Now let's see the another change. The another change is the slow change and fast change. Now slow change. What is slow change? That takes a long time to change from one substance to the another. That change is known as the slow change. That means occurs long period of time. So this type of change, just like a baby to adult, a growth of baby to adult. Similarly, a growth of seed into the huge plant. And the fast change which occurs in a short period of time, suddenly the changes occur. Just like I just fired the paper and the paper become the ash. That is the short period of time. That means there is no time taking. Bursting of cracker, These all are sudden changes, rapid changes, तुरंत हो जाते हैं. And so the next change here, after slow and fast, the next change is the periodic change and non-periodic change. So what is periodic change? A change that occurs after a regular interval. That means after every regular interval that change occurs. After regular interval. So whatever the examples of the periodic change, just like the occurrence of day and night, the rotation and revolution of the earth, the change in season, and if we will talk about the non-periodic motion, non-periodic change, these are not going to occur after regular interval. ये after regular interval नहीं होते हैं. They can occur at any time, just like the cyclone, volcano eruption, they are not going to occur after regular interval. That's why they are non-periodic motion. So let's see the another one. The another change is reversible and irreversible change. Reversible and irreversible change. So the reversible change, that means the change after the formation of new another substance, that substance can be changed into the previous substance. Just like the ice is going to melt into water, and water again form the ice. This type of change is known as reversible change. That means if we are going to just change the condition, the substance are going to form the previous substance. And reversible change, it can be shown with the help of this type of arrow. Now the irreversible change, that means the change after the change, the next substance, the new substance cannot be formed the previous substance. वो previous substance को नहीं बनाएगा. That change is known as the irreversible change. Just like your mom is going to cook the vegetables, now the cooked vegetable cannot be changed into the raw vegetable. That means cooking of veggies. Cooking of vegetable. Now let's see the another one, the desirable and undesirable change. The desirable change and the undesirable change. So the change that is useful for mankind, it is useful for mankind. This desirable change, this is useful to man. These type of changes are known as the desirable change, just like curdling of milk. And next one, the undesirable change, that is not useful. Useful is nahi hai, lekin then also it is going to be changed, just like rotting of fruits. fruits are going to be rot, and that is not useful for us. So this is about the desirable and undesirable changes. Now let's see the another one. The exothermic and the endothermic. Exothermic and endothermic change. So what is exothermic change? In this exothermic change, what happened, that the energy is released in the form of heat. In exothermic, energy is released. In the form of heat. So whatever the examples for the exothermic reaction, that means what is the example? The condensation of steam. And if we will talk about the endothermic reaction, it is just opposite to the exothermic. The energy is absorbed in the form of heat. And the example for this, it is the melting of ice. Now let's see the last one, the chemical and physical change, which is very important. Now physical change. In physical change, the original composition of substance remains unchanged. That means जो भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं, चेंज ला रहे हैं, उसमें केमिकल कंपोजिशन रिमेन्स अनचेंज्ड. Unchanged. Just like you have taken a piece of paper and fold it, that can take its original position. And the chemical composition, chemical change, in chemical change, the chemical composition is changed. Chemical composition of substance change, like curdling of milk. So this is all about the different types of changes. Rest of the topic, physical and chemical changes, we will study in detail in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.